In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add most on RSI in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like because the process of adding most on RSI is the same no matter what you're looking at. Once your chart is open in TradingView Pro, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits above the chart area, close to where you choose your time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools to your chart, from standard indicators to community scripts. When you click it, a new window or panel will appear over your chart with a search bar at the top and different categories below, like built-ins, community scripts, and more. Now focus on that search box at the top of the Indicators panel. Click directly into the search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and using the search bar is the fastest way to find what you need. Once the search bar is active, type in most on RSI. Make sure you spell it correctly because even small spelling mistakes can keep the script from showing up. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and begin showing you scripts that match what you're searching for. You'll usually see a title, a short description, and sometimes the author's name. Look through the results to find the specific most on RSI script you want to use. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You should now see the RSI indicator area with the most overlay or signals applied to it, depending on how the script is designed. If nothing appears, double check that the script is enabled in your indicator list on the chart. From here, you can adjust settings by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and clicking the settings icon. This lets you fine-tune things like colors, lengths, or any custom options the script creator included, so you can make it match your trading style and visual preferences. If you want to use TradingView Pro, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel and gives you access to the full power of TradingView, including more indicators per chart, better data, and additional tools that make using setups like most on RSI much smoother and more efficient.